The online encyclopedia Wikipedia describes success as a goal that is obtained. Simply put, a goal that is obtained. Now, the College of Claremont in Cincinnati says that every individual has their own definition of what success is. The word success, what does it mean, and how does it apply to you, and how can you gain success? Well, that's what we're going to talk about tonight. Well, first of all, every individual is different, and every individual has their own right to define success in their own way. A person may want to wake up in the morning, shave, and go to work, and if they do so, they are successful. On the other hand, one person may say they want to become a teacher one day, or say they want to become a plumber. Now, obviously, they have set a higher standard for themselves, and until they reach that goal, they do not consider themselves a success. So what do you do about that? Well, that's where the 3 E's come in. Education, effort, and esteem. Education, effort, and esteem. If a person knows what they want to do, they're going to find some sort of education, be it college, advice, or say an apprenticeship, to further their education to reach their goal. Effort. Once a person knows what they're going to do and they find the educational path that will lead them to their goal, they will put forth the effort to reach that goal. So if they have to graduate college, they're going to graduate college. If they take advice, they're going to use that advice. Esteem. A person will use self-esteem to motivate themselves so that they can reach the goal and become a success. Inc.com says that every individual must know what they want in order to set the basis to become a success. Jeff Hayden of Inc.com explains that one must know what they want to do in order to become successful. Which brings about the point again that every individual is different and has the right to define success in their own words. If a person wants to become a teacher and they obtain that goal, they are a success. If a person wants to become a millionaire and they obtain that goal, they are a success. Now, again, when you use the 3 E's, education, to find out what you need to do in order to reach your goal, combined with effort, which means that you put forth the effort with the education to reach your goal, combined with esteem, which means that you use motivation combined with education and effort, you will become a success. So think about that. What do you want to do, and how will you get there, and will you be able to put forth the education, the effort, and combine esteem and reach your goal? If you do, you have a great chance of being a success. Henry Ford of Ford Automotive quoted, "To know what one wants is the beginning of success," which simply means that we have to know what we want to do before we can even begin to think about becoming successful. This makes a lot of sense because one must know what they want in order to obtain a goal. So once you know what you want, once you set out the plan, once you enforce the plan, and once you motivate yourself to reach the plan, then you have a great chance on becoming a success. Anyone can do it. Everyone can do it. In our own separate ways, we all have a great chance of doing it. Let's become successful, individually, together, but just simply put, as Wikipedia says, let's obtain our goals, whichever they may be, by putting forth the effort, the motivation, and using education in order to get where we want. Then we can call ourselves a success.